Alright guys, so I just got back from Tokyo, and these are the strawberries that I picked up. As you can see, they're, that was the end. They're like $10 basically, okay? So probably more close to 12, but these are Japanese strawberries, and they're supposed to be super sweet, and I'm going to wash them up and do a quick taste test. So stay tuned, guys. So here it is, all washed up. As you can see, the water is there. Let's do a quick taste test on these nice, pretty strawberries, okay? So look at the flesh on that, okay? And I'm going to do a quick taste test. Okay, so those are the softest, really juicy strawberries that I've ever had. The flavor is like, it's better than our North American type. They're not so sour. They are sweet, but it's more on the fact that it's just really juicy. Like, it's just dripping it out of there. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.